Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in CYBERJAYA, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecast high of 88 and a low of 77.
Just got a piece of this Google Home Mini today. Woo! I'm just gonna play around with it. I think it's gonna do a lot of cool stuff. So I see it supports all those applications. It's small and mighty. You can do a lot of things. Make hands-free calls, enjoy your entertainment, voice control, set alarms, reminders, find out your commute, get news, lots of things. So we're just gonna do an unboxing session with this Google Home Mini. Let's have a look. So it has this tab. You just have to tear this apart, open it. Very special. Make sure that it is sealed. The quality is not compromised. Look at that. How cute. It's very simplified. Let's see what's inside. Let's get started. There is a cable. Alright. Power source. US type. I guess this is because it's from the US. Let's see the voltage. There's voltage there. Can't really see. No, it's too tiny. Alright, I assume that will need sort of the app. But let's see the option first. Okay, so very cool. Plug it in, get the app, get to know your Google Home Mini. There's a mic switch, right side volume up. Anything? Okay, Google. There's a bunch of instructions that you can play around with it. Be safe. Okay, I'm gonna read that. Alright, let's download it first. So I've got the Google Home connected. Now it's asking me to download the app. So I've downloaded the app. I'm just gonna try to set it up right now. I've already have everything set up. Let's see what are the cool things that Google Home Mini can do. So the first example would be playing music. So what you have to do is just say, "Hey Google, play music."
Okay, music on Spotify. Here you go.
I saw you looking brand new overnight.
So you wanna
I caught you looking too, but you didn't.
change the volume. All you have to do is saying, "Hey Google, volume up."
You look happy.
"Hey Google, volume down."
Flashing back.
Another example would be you can actually ask Google on the weather. So example, "Hey Google, what's the weather today?"
Today in CYBERJAYA, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecast high of 88 and a low of 77. Currently it's 84 and mostly cloudy.
You can also set the alarm clock for Google. So for example, you want to wake up tomorrow at 6 a.m. So what you do is, "Hey Google, wake me up tomorrow at 6.
Tomorrow at 6 a.m. Set.
So that's simple. Another cool thing that you can do is you can set up maybe your shopping list. So for example, "Hey Google, set up a new shopping list.
It looks like you already have a list called Shopping. What do you want to add?
Can you please add milk?
Sure, I added milk.
And hey Google, add cookies to the shopping list. So another cool thing that you can do with Google is to add items to your shopping list. So for example, hey Google, add cookies to the shopping list.
Okay, I added cookies.
Hey Google, remove milk from the shopping list.
I can't do that on this device yet. You can say, show all my lists on your phone and select the list you want to change.
Okay, so that's something that Google Home isn't able to do just yet. So if you actually subscribe to Netflix, you can even check what are the latest movies or TV series available on Netflix. So for example, okay Google, what's new on Netflix?
Here is a list with 4 new releases on Netflix. 1. Disney's Ralph Breaks the Internet. 6 years after the events of Wreck-It Ralph, Ralph and Vanellope, now friends,
Okay,
discover
Google.
a Wi-Fi...
Stop. So another cool trick that Google Home Mini can do is to tell you what song is playing. So for example, okay Google, what song is this?
This is So Long Without You by Bent.
And maybe you can also play a game with Google. Say, hey Google, let's play a game.
Alright, I have a few options for that. Song Quiz, Akinator, and Santa Claus Escape, and more. Which one would you like to try?
Song quiz.
Sure, here's Song Quiz.
Welcome to Song Quiz. How many people are playing Song Quiz?
1.
What is your first name?
Richard.
Where are you from?
CYBERJAYA.
Choose a music decade. You can say 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, or 2010s.
90s.
Searching for an opponent. Your opponent is Timothy from Virginia. I'll play 7 short clips from the 90s. After the music stops, try to guess either the artist or the name of the song. You can also try to guess both for bonus points. If you need more time, just say, repeat, let's begin. Question 1 for 10 points. Name the song title and artist.
Hang it, please. Myself already knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eye.
Forgot. No idea.
The song was Achy Breaky Heart by Billy Ray Cyrus. Timothy answered incorrectly. You and Timothy are tied with 0 points. Question 2 for 10 points. Name the song title and artist.
You can kiss me in the moonlight, on the roof.
This Kiss, forgot the name.
You got the title right for 10 points. The song was This Kiss by Faith Hill. Timothy.
And you can also maybe ask Google something related to, example, maybe the sound of an animal. So, okay Google, how does a cat sound?
This is a cat.
Yep. If you already have Google Chromecast installed on your TV, it can actually sync to Google Home Mini as well, and it allows you to play YouTube video. So for example, hey Google, play Blackpink on YouTube.
Alright, playing a YouTube mix of Blackpink on.
Looks like my cat is enjoying the video. Alright. Hey Google, stop video. And if you already have Netflix subscription, you can also ask Google Home Mini to play a TV series for you. So for example, hey Google, play Stranger Things on Netflix.
Okay, Stranger Things from Netflix. Playing on Supercast.
So now it's loading the video. Cool, huh? So I've shown you a couple of examples of how cool this Google Home Mini is. It's exciting because really it is, it's sort of like an artificial intelligence, can do lots of things, can respond to commands and of course play games as well. I guess this is going to be an exciting future because I guess more and more things in the future will be more integrated with all sort of home devices, and up to the point that you can control temperature, lights, essentially anything that is connected to the internet. So currently it's selling, I guess in Malaysia it's selling about 200 over ringgit. Probably you can get it even more cheaper in the States. So it's, if you really want to have something cool at home, you might want to consider this one. Alright, so I'll see you again in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.